welcome back to Cooking with Gloria. Today I am making red chicken tamales. They come out really delicious and we are ready for Christmas, for New Year's. Let's share this recipe with our family. I know that you and your family will love and will enjoy. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. Chili pads, I have guajillo and California. I have corn husks, salt, onion, Baileys, the 2 types of chilies, chicken bouillon, cloves, 3 garlic cloves, the chicken breast, and of course the masa. Masa para tamales that is already prepared. But you know, the star here is my chicken breast. So let's start preparing these tamales. Come out really good and really delicious. So let's get started. I have a pan here. I'm going to add the corn husks right on the bottom, and I'm going to add some warm water. We want to cover them completely so they get nice and lubricated. Okay, this is done. We're going to put it aside. And we're going to start with our other pan with water. We're adding our chicken. We're adding our piece of onion, a little bit of salt, our Baileys, and we're taking it to the stove to cook. My chicken is going to cook for about 15 to 20 minutes. I'll see you back, my friends. I am ready to start with my chilies. This is my chicken bouillon, my onions, and I'm going to start with the chilies. I'm going to take all the seeds off because sometimes they are stuck on the wall of the inside of the chilies. So let's do this step first. Once this is done, we're going to take them and we're going to rinse them out completely, just to make sure that we remove all the seeds from each chili pod. One by one. It takes time, but this comes out delicious. I have my blender here. I'm going to add the chilies that are nice and washed. I'm going to add them, and I'm going to add my garlic cloves, my chicken bouillon, and I'm just waiting for the chicken to be done. Let's go see. I wanted to show you that my chicken is already boiling with the onion and the Baileys. They'll be here for about 15 to 20 minutes. When the chicken is nice and tender, then it's time to take it out of the liquids. I'll see you back in a little bit, my friends. When the chicken is nice and tender, it is time to remove. I am ready to remove the chicken breast and the bay leaves. Okay, I'm going to put them aside. I have my blender here with the chilies. Let me show it. And I'm going to add all the juice and the onion. And we are ready to blend. Look at this, how this looks delicious. Okay, I have everything in my blender. Now I'm ready to blend it. Look how this came out. It's nice and thick. I want to show it to you. This is the time where we're going to taste it, just in case we need to add a little bit more of salt. To my tasting is perfect. I'm going to add it to this plate. And with 2 forks, I'm going to help myself and start shredding all my chicken. I am done shredding my chicken. Look how this came out. I'm going to put it aside and I'm going to start adding it to the salsa. We're going to incorporate it completely until everything is well combined. Look how this looks. Okay, I am ready. I have my parchment paper here and I'm ready to start with my corn husks. One side is very smooth, the other side is kind of rough. Remember, my friends, always put the masa on the side that is very smooth. And I try to use 1 spoon so all my tamales come out of the same size and they cook at the same time. Be generous with your chicken and your sauce. This is how I do it. I spread it and then I just add the chicken and the salsa right in the center. Now we're going to fold it. Help yourself, and then we're going to get one of the parchment paper and we're going to wrap it like a little gift, just to make sure that nothing comes out while it's cooking. I'll do one more, my friends. Remember, this part is very important. Make sure that you add the masa to the smooth size of the corn husk. This is time consuming, but they can come out so delicious and so tasty, my friends. Once you do it, you will continue making these Mexican tamales. Look how beautiful this tamal looks. Okay, we're gonna wrap it. Sometimes if the corn husk is very small, just add 1 more corn husk. Okay, we put it in the center. We wrap it. We try to wrap it very tight. Okay, I'll continue and I'll see you back. I have a pan here with water. I'm adding my metal right on top. And I'm going to start by adding my tamales. My stove is on. I have 10 tamales. I'm only cooking 10 this time. They're gonna be here for about 30 minutes. But I wanna show you what I do with the rest, because I only cook the ones that we are going to eat that day. So let me show you what I do with the rest. This is one tamal that is not cooked, but I wanna show you what I do with it. This side I'm gonna put in a bag. All of them are gonna go with the same size down. I have a plastic bag here, and I'm going to start by adding 1 by 1. Everyone is going to go on the same side down. I add about 12 tamales, 1 dozen, and then I am ready. My friends, I wanted to show you how I prepare my red chicken tamales. With this recipe, you will get 3 dozens. I only put to cook just a couple because I wanted to show you what I do with my tamales. I like to eat them nice and fresh. I don't like to re-cook them, cook them and then re-cook them again or re-warm them to eat them again. So I don't like to do that. I try to do bags of 12, 1 dozen each bag, and I put them in the refrigerator. I put them there, leave them there to get completely frozen, and whenever I want to eat, I take it out, put it in my pan, and then just cook it, and they are nice and fresh. If the weather is very cold, it's raining outside, and you have a desire for a tamal, well, this is the perfect way to put them in the refrigerator and just take a couple when you feel like eating a Mexican tamal. My red chicken tamales are done. I can't wait to taste them. I'll see you, my friends, in a little bit. How do you know when a tamal is completely cooked? When you unwrap it and the corn husk is completely clean. There is no masa on the corn husk. Let me show it to you. This is a very important step because that's how you know when the tamal is completely cooked, when you roll it on the side and there's no masa on the corn husk. I am ready to add my salsa on the top of both tamales, and I'm adding some cheese, fresh cheese. I am so ready to start tasting this delicious tamal. With my red chicken tamales. They look so delicious, and I added some red salsa that you already have in my channel. I added some coconut atole that you already have in my channel. Well, this is the part I love, I enjoy, and I really look forward tasting my recipes. Let's see how this delicious tamal came out. Let's see. Excuse me. Nice and soft. Nice and tender. And with this coconut atole, perfection. My friends, this came out so good and so delicious. If you liked and loved my recipe, please don't forget to subscribe. Give me thumbs up, share my video on social media so more people get to know Cooking with Gloria. Don't forget to push the notification bell so every time I make a new recipe, yes, you are notified. Thank you so much for watching my video from start to end. I really do appreciate it. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. And I will stay enjoying my red chicken tamales. Bye-bye.